Hi, I'm Uche and I built Relay for the OpenAI Build Week Hackathon. Relay is an AI orchestrator that takes any business request, whether it's a customer question, a meeting to prep for, or a report to generate, and understand what's actually needed, then route it to the right specialist agent behind the scenes. Let me show you how it works. Relay has three types of users: customers, team members, and admins or manager, each with a different view based on their role. A customer only sees the support chat. A team member can prep for meetings and pull reports for their own department only. An admin or manager can access any department and publish reports to any team or department, as well as meeting prep notifications. This isn't just hidden in the interface, it's enforced at the database level using row level security in Supabase. So each row can only ever touch the data it's allowed to see. Here's a customer asking about an order. The request goes to the orchestrator, which reads it, decides it's a support issue, and routes it to the support agent, which asks a clarifying question before resolving it. Now, here is where it gets more interesting. When a meeting is coming up, Relay doesn't just send out a generic notification, it understands the context of the meeting, who's involved, what each department actually needs to work in with, and sends every team a brief that's relevant to them specifically. So if a manager needs an overall agenda and key decisions, they get that. If a specific team needs their own talking point, they get exactly that instead of the whole picture. The goal is simple. By the time the meeting starts, everyone already knows what's expected of them instead of scrambling to pull things together when they are called on it. And here is a department report. Same flow again, one orchestrator understanding different kinds of requests and sending each one to the right specialist agent, shaped around what the request actually calls for. The entire application, the authentication, the role system, the database schema, the row level security, and every workflow you just saw was built end-to-end in Codex. My session ID is here in my GitHub repository. The orchestrator and each specialist agent were designed to run on GPT 5.6, handling classification and generation. And I want to be clear about something upfront. Because of budget constraints, I was unable to run live API calls. I thought the $100 Codex credits covered API calls, but unfortunately it didn't. Everything else in Relay, the app, the security, the workflows is fully working today. Thanks for watching, and the repo link is below.